If you're looking for a jump starter and an air compressor, in today's video we're gonna test the YESPER X1. This one is a jump starter and also an air compressor. And today's video we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it on a car with the jump starter, and we're gonna test the air compressor on a car tire and a bicycle tire, and we're gonna see how fast it is. Coming up right now. And this is what it comes inside of the box. The brand is YESPER. This is a jump starter air compressor. The model is the X1. So it's a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and a light. And this is the jump starter. It's pretty cool. So in this side, this is the plug to connect the cables for the jump starter. This has a screen. You can turn it on in here. Okay, up and down for the PSI. And right now it's in bar. Okay. You can hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off. You can turn it on in here. You can go up and down. This one is to change to bicycle, ball, to change the bar, PSI. I'm gonna leave it on PSI. This one is for the light. Flashing. And on the top, it has USB-C, USB-A, and the connection for the hose for the air compressor. And these are the cables to jumpstart the car, the hose for the air compressor, extra accessories, the cable to charge it, and the manual. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, and today we're gonna test a jump starter. Let me show you that the battery is there. Show you. Pulse the brake. Nothing. It's super dead. The battery. Okay, and now we're gonna test the YESPER X1, the jump starter. And I have the jumper cable here, and that goes in here. So let's plug it in. Like this. Okay, so it's on. Fully charged. So, see. This one here, okay, and this one is a little small. Okay, you have to press this button, boost, and then start the car. And it works. Okay, so the big question is it worth the money? And the answer is yes. The price is great for this one, and it's great for emergencies. It's not the fastest or the most powerful, but with one charge you can inflate a car tire or a truck tire from 0 to 40 psi like in 3 to 5 minutes. And then you will have to charge it again. But if you are only like putting air a little bit to each tire, one charge, it will last you for a long time. And as a jump starter, it works great too. So if you're looking for something for emergencies, this is perfect for that. But if you want something that you're gonna use every day to jumpstart trucks and a lot of vehicles, maybe you need to get a more powerful jump starter and an air compressor. Okay, so the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on the next video. Bye. Alright guys, sorry for the delay. I took a little break, but now we're back and it's time to announce the winner for the giveaway. The winner, I'm gonna put the comment of the winner over here. Congratulations to the winner. You can contact me on Instagram or on my website. You can send me a message there, okay? And he won this product that is over here, all right? Okay, so we have more giveaways coming. On the next video, we're gonna announce the next giveaway. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the support, for the comments, and the likes, and for subscribing to the channel. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video.